Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of baking with the best non-toxic baking pans available in the market. The 8-piece deep glass baking dish set with plastic lids from M MCIRCO. This baking dish set is a game changer for anyone who loves to bake or cook. Made of high-quality borosilicate glass, these pans are not only safe for food, but they're also incredibly versatile. What sets these pans apart is their ability to go from the freezer to the oven without any risk of cracking or shattering. Plus, they're dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. But what really makes this set stand out are the tight-fitting lids. Perfect for storing leftovers or prepping meals ahead of time. These lids keep your food fresher for longer and are slosh-proof, so you don't have to worry about spills in the fridge. And let's talk about the design. The clear glass not only makes for a beautiful presentation when serving your dishes, but it also allows you to monitor the cooking process without having to lift the lid. With 4 different sizes included in the set, you'll have the perfect pan for any recipe. Whether you're baking a lasagna, roasting veggies, or whipping up a delicious casserole. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the value, durability, and ease of cleaning of these pans. Plus, with over 5,000 ratings and an average of 4.5 stars, you know you're getting a quality product. So if you're in the market for non-toxic baking pans that are as stylish as they are functional, look no further than the 8-piece deep glass baking dish set from M MCIRCO. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and happy baking!